Chlorine, bromine, and iodine resemble one another in that chlorine, bromine, and iodine are halogens. When you go to the periodic table, they are called halogens. One of them that is missing here is known as fluorine. So option A says dissolve in alkali. Chlorine, fluorine, and iodine dissolves differently in alkali. They react differently with alkalis, which is not the correct option. B says react violently with hydrogen without heating. Chlorine reacts violently with hydrogen, but for bromine and iodine requires heating for the reaction to occur, which means option B is not correct. Option C says they are liquids. Amongst the three, only bromine is liquid, chlorine is a gas, and iodine is a solid. So option C is not correct. And this says displace one another from solutions of their salts. For example, in the reactivity series of halogens, chlorine is more reactive than bromine, and bromine more reactive than what? Iodine. So because of chlorine is more reactive than bromine, bromine more reactive than iodine, which means when they see themselves in a particular solution, the one that is most reactive will try to displace the other. For example, if you have this equation, where chlorine is reacting with sodium bromide, remember that chlorine is greater than bromine in the halogen series, in the reactivity series of halogen. So which means chlorine will replace bromine here, forming sodium chloride, liberating bromine. So the solution, the product of the reaction becomes sodium chloride plus bromine will be liberated here. The correct option here is option D. Displace one another from solutions of their salt.